Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study Computer Science Class 12. Begin by mapping the syllabus into weekly goals and prioritize core topics like programming and theory. Use timed study blocks and short breaks to keep focus and avoid burnout. Create a list of must-do practice problems and past papers to simulate exam conditions. Review errors each week, revise weak topics, and track progress with a simple checklist you update nightly. Start with building strong fundamentals in data structures and algorithms by solving small problems daily. Mix concept study with hands-on coding practice and explain solutions aloud like you are teaching someone. Use flashcards for terminology and revisit challenging topics after 2 to 3 days to strengthen memory. Balance theory and practice by alternating sessions so one reinforces the other. Keep a running error log to prevent repeated mistakes and improve steadily. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to help more students discover it. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to car scent for late-night study runs. It smells sharp and keeps you awake on the drive. I picked it because small comforts can reset your focus between sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin intensive revision by condensing full notes into one-page summaries for each chapter and focus on high-weight topics first. Schedule full mock exams with the same time limits and conditions you will face in the real test to build endurance. Review every mock test error immediately and update your summaries accordingly. Keep sleep, hydration, and short walks part of your routine to maintain cognitive sharpness during heavy revision periods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.